Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, SUVs, and everything exciting from the automotive world. In today's video, we're exploring a true classic that is expected to make a powerful comeback, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. This legendary Jeep has a rich history and is known for its rugged build, simple design, and unmatched off-road capability. For decades, it has been used in rural areas, by the military, and by off-road enthusiasts. Now, the 2026 version is expected to bring modern updates while keeping its vintage charm alive. Let's dive into the details of this iconic vehicle. Artist palette design and exterior vintage and rugged. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep is expected to retain its classic old-school design that made it famous. The most iconic feature is its boxy body shape with a high bonnet, round headlights, and a vertical grille, giving it a strong and timeless appearance. The compact dimensions, short wheelbase, and high ground clearance make it perfect for off-road adventures. The Jeep may also offer open-top, soft-top, and hardtop variants, allowing users to enjoy a raw and adventurous driving experience. The design is focused on durability and functionality rather than luxury, making it ideal for tough terrains and rural usage. Couch and lamp interior and comfort, simple and purposeful. Inside the 2026 CJ3B Jeep, the cabin is expected to remain basic and functional. The original model was known for its minimal interior, and the new version will likely continue the tradition with some modern touches. You can expect basic seating for 4 passengers, a simple dashboard, and essential controls. However, the updated version may include a small infotainment system, USB charging ports, and improved seat comfort. The upright seating position provides excellent visibility, especially useful for off-road driving.